Alright, in this video I'm not gonna wear glasses and my hair is pretty shit, so I'm gonna wear the cap. Damn! So how to attract professional developers? I think like this is the questions I talked with multiple of the GFX designer, and we came up with these questions. So I want to clarify and share the things that I learned throughout trying to attract the professional developers. And okay, so first step is to post your artwork and content. Make yourself more discoverable. That's the key for this step. So basically you have to post your artwork. Do this. Whatever you do right now, right? I challenge you to post artwork every Saturday. Right, every Saturday night you're gonna post your artwork as personal artwork, not in commissions, not anything. Just post your personal artwork, and then just keep doing that for the whole year. I did this around like during 2020. If you look into my Twitter feed, you're gonna see that I post this every single Saturday. If you can do 2 personal artworks a week, then that would be great, but it depends. Second step is to make friends, make connections, interact to community more. I think this is what I lack at really first, because like earlier of my journeys, I didn't really interact with a lot of people that much. I feel like I make friends here and there as well, in the community as well. The reason why is that connections matters. Connection matters the most to attract the professional developers, because connections basically it's a warm lead instead of cold lead. Basically they're gonna trust you more. That we are playing it with trust. Now because we are playing it with trust, usually mutual, if the client has the mutual friends that knows you, they're gonna invite you, they're gonna request you to do GFX. And especially if you I'm gonna lead the few steps ahead, but if you have sort of like a friends that is a professional developers, they're gonna have a lot of connections more. So connections is really important. So make yourself more discoverable, and start making connections, start making friends, and they're gonna do a lot in the future. Third step is to raise your price. God damn it, raise your price. Because okay, this is why, right? No, you're probably not gonna understand this by now, but if you raise your price, everything is gonna be much better. So you're gonna produce more high quality works, because you gotta force yourself to make yourself worth more than what you are actually doing. Second is that if you increase your price, basically the client that you get is gonna be much better. They're gonna be more premium. That's the thing. And if you increase your price, you're gonna get more premium client, which premium client is that they are professional developers in this case. So fourth step is to nail your first professional developers. Now after you've done all the steps that I told you earlier, and if you do this, you're gonna get maybe you're gonna land yourself an audience one day. And once you have this in mind, and once you start attracting more professional developers, basically what's gonna happen next is that they're gonna invite you to work on their friends project, or it's the whole connection thing. It's the theme here, which is that they're gonna invite you, they're gonna pull you into this project, into that project, and suddenly it just became a community instead. So yeah, basically be aware of that and just keep posting your artwork. Remember the challenge, right? Alright, that I told you. If you don't do it, then this video might not be really that valuable. You have to follow the steps and do it. Do it, okay? No questions, no nothing, no excuses, just do it, alright? And if you like this kind of video, help me get to 100k. No, not 100k, what? Help me get to like 100, oh no.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers is my goal right now, so help me achieve that, and it's a win-win. At the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.